One day, I was using Midjourney when I received this message that says, Midjourney removed its free trial. Then I got on a mission to search for free Midjourney alternatives. Then you will not believe what I got. Welcome back, guys. Today, in this video, we will see free Midjourney alternatives from which you can generate images similar to Midjourney but for completely free. To use these tools, you don't need to join any Discord server. The first one on the list is Imagine Art. This is a new emerging and it is highly capable to generate high-quality images. This is a completely free website, and you can access it by signing into your Google account for completely free. Let's generate some quality images. There are many filters here in which you can generate images. Then images are created in different styles and variations. Let's try some by entering prompts. A woman in leather jacket. Vibrant hot air balloons dotting the sky during a colorful sunrise. It looks so realistic. This prompt, a lone figure standing on the edge of a mist-covered cliff. You can generate beautiful images from your imagination as much as you want for completely free. Next tool on list is Lexica Art Generator. It creates attractive and amazing images from our text. These images are examples created by people. Let's enter the prompt and generate images. I will generate a beautiful lake in Japan. I got my image of a beautiful lake in Japan. This AI generates beautiful images. You can also generate beautiful images like this. Just enter what you want and click on Generate, then Lexica will give you beautiful images. Let's write one more prompt on the imaginary colony of Mars. Here we go. Try this out. Free trial link is in the description. Next in our list is Dreamlike Art. It generates beautiful art from our text. Let's quickly write an image prompt. Just like we entered, we got images of a samurai. I will write one more prompt for an anime girl. You can also create anime characters from this tool. Select Anime Filter and hit on Generate. This is just few examples of this tool. You can create more attractive images by entering accurate prompts from ChatGPT. Let's move to our next tool. Next on our list is Starry. This is an amazing tool for image generation. But you will get limited credits to use here. You have to create multiple email accounts. If you want more free trial credits, with 1 credit you can generate 4 images. I entered prompt of futuristic cities. Here we go. We got our images here. We got futuristic cars and cities. Like this, you can generate more images. This tool is easy to use. But the only flaw of this tool is limited credits. But don't worry because we got our next tool, Playground AI. It has daily 50 to 70 free credits, which is enough for us. Also, this is one of my favorite tools. I created a detailed tutorial on Playground AI. Just don't forget to watch it before leaving YouTube. This images is created by people. You can see the prompts of the images. Let's create some art. Click on Create option in top right corner. Just like Dreamlike Art, in Playground AI, we also get many styles in which we can generate images. Let's generate a high-quality image of astronaut on the moon. You can select here how many images you want to generate at a time. I will select 4. We got our high-quality images in a couple of seconds. I will not say this AI is better than Midjourney, but you can say this is a free alternative to Midjourney. Humans landed on the moon, but have you ever seen humans near Jupiter planet? Let's see one and save the time of NASA. Here we go. You can tell me in the comment section from all these which a tool you liked the most. Important note, all these tools are not completely free, but you will get free credits which are enough to generate quality images. If you want more credits, you can create multiple emails for that. All tool links are provided in the description. Can you help me to reach 1K subscribers, please? See you in next video. Stay tuned.